Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. Have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour? Give us a call today at 706-863-1775. Beautiful, spacious, 5-bedroom 4-bath, freshly painted home in a quiet cul-de-sac. Pre-inspections have been completed and repairs have been made. As soon as you walk up to the front door, you are greeted by an enormous covered front porch with stamped concrete just as you enter the 2-story foyer. The dining room has high judges panel gorgeous coffered ceilings. The great room has a cathedral 2-story ceiling, built-ins, a brick fireplace, with gas available, and is open to the kitchen and breakfast area. The kitchen has plenty of granite counter space and cabinets with an island with a sink and breakfast bar and breakfast area. Stainless steel appliances with a pot filler over the flat cooktop stove. Owner's suite is on the main floor. Owner's bath has a double vanity, garden tub, separate shower and huge walk-in closet. There is also a guest room with a full bath on the main floor. Upstairs is an open loft area, 3 more bedrooms, and a large bonus/media room. 2 bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bath. The other bedroom has its own extra flex space that could double as an office or workout room. Off of the back of the house is a screened-in porch and a patio overlooking a private wooded area just past